In this video, we'll cover drive cable replacement for the Lippert pop-up roof system. To perform this procedure, you'll need a 2.5mm Allen wrench hex key, needle nose pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and a caulk gun with 100% silicone sealant. With a 2.5mm Allen wrench hex key, remove the 4 socket screws securing the key lock support plate to the pop-up. Pull the key lock free of its fiberglass housing to gain access to the key lock cylinder assembly. Decouple the retaining clip by unhooking the clasp and rotating it off to the side of the drive cable. Unseat the drive cable in hook using needle nose pliers, pulling it up and away from the latch cylinder retaining eyelet. Work the drive cable's retention threading through the latch actuator retaining bracket. The drive cable can be pulled free of the assembly. From the latch catch, decouple the retaining clip by unhooking the clasp. Pull the rubber grommet free of the pop-up fiberglass drive cable receptacle. The drive cable can now be uninstalled from the pop-up roof system. Feed the replacement drive cable into the drive cable receptacle. Install the cable to the fiberglass retaining bracket. Pull the drive cable hook with needle nose pliers into the latch catch eyelet. Rotate the drive cable retaining clip onto the cable. Install the rubber grommet to the fiberglass drive cable receptacle. Then seal the grommet to the receptacle using your caulk gun and 100% silicone. Install the drive cable at the actuator bracket to work the retention threading through the bracket until the drive cable hook can reach the lock cylinder retaining eyelet. Rotate and snap the lower drive cable retention clip into place. You may need to adjust the retention threading nut. Check drive cable installation by using the key to rotate the lock cylinder. Install the lock support plate to the pop-up fiberglass with the 2.5mm Allen wrench hex key and the 4 socket screws. This completes the drive cable replacement procedure for the Lippert pop-up roof system.